If a black hole came near you, you wouldn't even realize you were already dead. It doesn't just pull you in. It destroys reality itself. First, gravity goes insane. Your feet feel heavier than your head. Then your body starts stretching, longer, thinner, until you're ripped apart atom by atom. Scientists call it spaghettification. But somehow, you're still conscious. Now here's where it gets terrifying. Time begins to slow down. Faster, and faster, until it almost stops. To the outside world. You freeze forever at the edge of the black hole. Never falling in. But from your perspective, you cross the point of no return. And disappear into complete darkness. And inside, no one knows. Not even physics works there. It could crush you into nothing. Or trap you in a place where time doesn't exist at all. And the scariest part? There are millions of black holes in our galaxy. And some are completely invisible. One could be closer than we think, right now. Subscribe, because space isn't just beautiful, it's deadly.